Hey everyone, look at this! This is my Arduino that is running it's running a sound library, and I'm forgetting the name of the library. One second. It's the TMRpcm library. Sorry for that. But it's running the TMRpcm library, and so I've got it running a little song off of a tiny little SD card. I like this. It's hooked up to my stereo. I love this thing. This Arduino can do so much, can't you? Can't you? Got it playing the happy song. Pops. Wait for it. On. There we go. It isn't very loud. Pretty. All that from this little thing and one music file. Yay! Yeah, I'm running the TMRpcm library. The link to that will be in the description. Because I just love this library. Because the only library I could find on the Arduino website is the one that's only for Do. So I went looking around for Unos. This is for libraries that work with the 328 versions, and this is what it came up with, and it works awesome. Yes, it is a bit buggy and slows down your processor, but it isn't hot at all. I'd say that wouldn't even get off room temperature. Pretty everything. Oh, there's the fish tank. No fish in it though. Oh, yep, there's two fish. Yeah, that's pretty much what I had to say. Blind you with this LED. That is what you get for making only a Do library. There's people who make other libraries for Uno. Yeah, bye.